Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Sunstar Global School. This is your teacher Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 5. So student, as we have done with chapter explanation of chapter number 9, which is degrees of comparison. So today we are going to start the exercise. We are going to do exercises of this chapter. So please open the page number 58 of your book. On page number 58, there is an exercise 9A. What we have to do in this exercise, complete the following table of degrees. We have given three columns here: positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay, and two or one has already given. We have to write the left one. Okay, so let's start with the first one. First one is worst. First one is bad. इसका positive और superlative degree लिखा हुआ है. We have to write comparative. What is the comparative degree of bad? It's worse. W-O-R-S-E, worse. Number two. In number two, it has given less and least. That means comparative degree or superlative दिया हुआ है. What we have to write? We have to write positive. These are little. This is littles. These are littles, comparative and superlative form. Okay, number three, positive दिया है old, comparative दिया है older and elder. We have to write the superlative one, which will be oldest or eldest. Yes. Now come to number four. Number four में आपको comparative दिया है more and superlative दिया है most. We have to fill the positive one. It will be many, more, most. We can write much as well. Okay. Number five is big. Positive दिया है big and superlative दिया है biggest. We have to write comparative one. What it will be bigger. Yes, bigger. And while we are writing double G, I have told you when a vowel comes before the consonant. Yes. Then what we do? We write that consonant two times. Then we add er. And same this happened in superlative as well. See the spelling of biggest. It is B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Yes? Number six, we have positive and comparative. Great, greater. So what will be the superlative? It will be greatest. Yes, greatest. Next is number 7. We have comparative and superlative. Younger and youngest. So what will be the positive one? It will be young. Yes. Number 8, we have positive and superlative, which are brave and bravest. Brave and bravest. That means we have to write the comparative one, which will be brave. Yes. Number 9, we have positive and comparative. Pretty, prettier. Pretty and prettier. We have to write the superlative one, which will be prettiest. Yes, prettiest. Number 10 we have comparative and superlative. Comparative and superlative, which are older and oldest. That means we have to write positive, and what it will be old. Okay. Number 11 we have positive and comparative, which are lazy and lazier. That means we have to write the superlative one, which will be laziest. Yes. Now number 12 we have positive and superlative, that means large and largest. Large and largest. We have to write comparative of this, that will be larger. Okay. Now come to number 13. Number 13 we have comparative and superlative, more tired and most tired. That means what will come in positive one? Tired. And why we have added in comparative more and in superlative most? Because it has two syllables. Yes, tired, two times, two vowel sound. Number 14, worthy and most worthy. Yes, we have to write superlative, and it is very obvious if we have most here, then it will be more here. More wealthy. More worthy. Sorry. More worthy. Worthy means valuable. Number 15. Number 15 we have comparative and superlative, which are more useful and most useful. More useful and most useful. That means positive will be useful. Why? Because why we have added more and most in comparative and superlative? Because these two words have two vowel sound. Word be. Useful, two vowel sound. More than one syllable. Okay. Number 16 we have positive and superlative. Okay, interesting, 3 syllables. Yes, 3 syllables are there. Interesting. Yes, so most interesting and interesting we have to write comparative, which will be more interesting. Okay, number 17 handsome, 2 syllables are there. That comparative is more handsome. Then what will be the superlative form of this word? Most handsome. Most handsome. Yes. Number 18. We have comparative and superlative. More wonderful and most wonderful. As you can see, we have 2 syllables in this word. Wonderful. 3 syllables are there. So more and most. That means what will be the positive form of this word? Positive degree will be wonderful. Yes. Number 19. On number 19 we have pleasant. 2 syllables are there. More pleasant. Then what will be the superlative degree? Most pleasant. We will add most before this word. Most pleasant. Number 20. Last we have happy and happiest. We have positive and superlative. We have to write comparative one, which will be happy. Happier. Yes. So this one is done. Now we will do exercise 9B. Exercise 9B, which is given on page number 59. What we have to do in this exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. Okay, what we have to do, degree of comparison we have in brackets after every sentence, which you can see easily. And what we have to do, we have to read the sentence, then we have to think. We have to think that which degree of comparison will come, positive, comparative and superlative. As I have already taught you, that when we will write the positive degree of comparison, when the sentence is telling about a person or thing, describing about one person or thing. And when we will write comparative degree of comparison, we write comparative degree when two person or thing comparing with each other in a sentence, or when we compare one thing with two or more than two, or with the whole group, then we write superlative degree of adjective. Yes. So let's start filling. I am going to write answers only, and I will tell you why we are filling which one. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 13, 14, and 15. See, number 1, Betty's dress is dash than yours. What is happening? Yours जिससे बता रहा है और बेटी की ड्रेस, दोनों को आपस में कंपेयर किया जा रहा है. Yes, and after blank there is than. I have told you already, if after bracket after blank there is than, that means we have to write comparative degree. So pretty has one syllable, then what will come? Prettier. Prettier. Okay. Comparative degree. Number 2, Matt is the dash boy in the class. Clever is given. So bracket से पहले आप देख रहे हो, blank से पहले आप देख रहे हो, da is given. When I was teaching you adjective, adjective, and when I was teaching you article, I have told you that da will come before the superlative degree. Yes, and as you can see here that before blank there is da. That means here we will fill superlative degree. Matt is the cleverest boy in the class. See, पूरे class से हम उसको compare कर रहे हैं. So what it will be? Cleverest. Cleverest boy. Number 3, Mr. Graham is the dash man in town. पूरे town से comparison हो रहा है. That means more than 2. And before blank there is the. That means we will fill superlative degree of rich. One syllable. That means est will be added. Richest. Okay. Number 4. This item cost the dash little, and before blank there is the. That means it will be superlative degree of little. That means this item cost the least. सबसे कम प्राइस का. Yes. Number 5. Who told you that you are dash than Tim? Now we are comparing you with Tim. That means we are comparing two persons with each other. That means what will come? Comparative degree. And one more reason is there that after blank there is than. So what we will write? Active. Two syllables are there. That means more active. In comparative we will add more with active. Now come to number 6. This box is the dash. Now before blank there is the. That means superlative degree. What it will be? Heavy. One syllable is there, that it will be heaviest. Heaviest. Yes. Now come to number 7. James has 20 silver coins. You have 25. I have 30. I have the. Now see, James, you and I. तीन लोगों का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है आपस में. Yes. One James has 20, you have 20, and I have 30. I have the dash. इसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा. That's mean superlative degree. Yes. And before that there is the. So meaning of comparative क्या होता है? Superlative क्या होता है? For you most. Yes. Now come to number 8. Your result is not good. Your result is not good. You can do dash. That means आपका रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन और इससे अच्छा हो सकता है. We are comparing. Yes. So what will become there? Better. Okay. Number 9. We are getting late. Can't you walk a bit? Dash. हम लोगों को देर हो रहा है, क्या तुम और तेज नहीं चल सकते? You can't you walk a bit faster? Faster. Comparative degree. Now come to number 10. Number 10 is, it was very dash of you. Very dash of you. पॉजिटिव, बिल्कुल सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है, वेरी थॉटफुल ऑफ यू, सेम is very thoughtful of you. Number 11, it is the dash story I have ever heard. It is the dash story I have ever heard. The before blank there is the, and we are comparing कि अभी तक जितना सुना है सबसे, that's mean it will be most interesting, superlative form of interesting, most interesting story I have ever heard. Number 12, my brother is dash than I am. I और my brother का comparing हो रहा है, before blank, sorry, after blank there is than. That's mean comparative degree will come. What will the comparative degree of young? Younger. Number 13, my dash brother is in Dubai. My dash brother is in Dubai. Okay. Now see, उससे बड़े हैं, that's mean आपका compare हो रहा है उनसे, तो comparativity आएगा. And what they have given elder and older. So elder and older we use for things जिनका age हमें पता नहीं होता है, but elder we can use for a person because उनका age हम बता सकते हैं in number. So what will come? Elder will come. Okay, elder brother. Okay, next is number 14. Mr. Roy is the oldest. Sorry, Mr. Roy is the dash member of the club. पूरे club से Mr. Roy का comparison हो रहा है. That's mean superlative degree will come, and you can see that before blank there is the. That's mean eldest or oldest. यहाँ पे हम ओल्डेस्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे पुराने की बात हो रही है. ओके, एज तो हम ओल्डेस्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, एल्डेस्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट बोथ, बट वी विल राइट ओल्डेस्ट हियर कि पुराने हैं. ठीक है, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एज, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कब से स्टार्ट किया, कब से कर रहे हैं. यस, नाउ कम टू नंबर 15 व्हिच इज दिल्ली इज डैश दैन बैंगलोर. दिल्ली इज द डैश दैन बैंगलोर. सो नंबर 15 दैन और बैंगलोर और दिल्ली का कंपैरिजन, दो लोगों का कंपैरिजन, एंड दैट इज देयर आफ्टर द ब्लैंक. दैट्स मीन व्हाट विल कम? कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ हॉट, व्हिच विल बी हॉटर. ओके, so we have done with exercise number 9b. Now turn the page and come to the last exercise which is given on page number 60. Exercise 9c. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. Okay, with the correct degree of comparison we have to read the words sentence one by one, then we have to fill the degree of comparison according to the sentence. So let me read for you. I will give you the hints, you all have to fill it by yourself. Okay, please add, number 1, please add more sugar to my coffee, I like it sweeter. Yes, ER will be added, you have to write sweeter, write it. Number 2, this shirt is too expensive, I want something cheaper. सस्ता चाहिए, cheaper, ER will be added in cheap. Okay. Number 3, we have arrived too late, we should have come. Comparative form early will be earlier. Yes, y को रिमूव करके IER ऐड करेंगे. Number 4, rich people can afford to buy the dash things. The dash things means superlative degree of costly, most costly will come in the blank. Number 5, you are so small and you have climbed the dash. High का superlative form will become which will be highest. EST will be added. Number 6, I have only ₹100 and you want the dash toy. यानी कि और you want the dash toy. That is there most expensive. More expensive के साथ most add हो जाएगा. Most expensive toy you want. Now come to number 7. She may be ignorant, but she is the dash lily I have ever seen. Beautiful and dash दा लगा हुआ है dash से पहले, that's mean Superlative form of beautiful will become, and beautiful have 3 syllables, 3 vowel sound. Beautiful. 3 vowel sound, that means most will be added. Most beautiful maybe. Okay. Number 8. The more you try, the dash you will feel. Miserable, we have to fill degree of miserable. So what will come? More miserable. Okay, we are comparing try and feel miserable. So more miserable will be here. We have to add more. Number 9. The flood situation this year is dash than last year. Last year की flood situation और इस साल की क्या कहते हैं आपकी this year की flood situation को compare कर रहा है. So हमको bad का comparative degree लिखना है. Bad का comparative degree क्या होता है? Worse. W-O-R-S-E worse लिखा. Okay, in the blank. Worse. Number 10. This room is too small. I thought it would be dash. What will come? Dash. Big का comparative form. Bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Okay. Number 11. Prevention is dash than cure. Prevention is dash than cure. Blank के बाद than is there. That will comparative will come. What is the comparative form of good? It's better. Fill it. Number 12. Does the earth look dash from space? क्या अर्थ स्पेस से कैसा दिखता है? कंपैरिजन नहीं हो रहा है, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट दिख रहा है. दैट्स मीन व्हाट विल कम? पॉजिटिव डिग्री सेम. दैट विल कम इन द ब्लैंक. ओके. नंबर 13. इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया द डैश आइलैंड? सारे आइलैंड से कंपेयर कर रहा है एंड ब्लैंक से पहले द इज देयर. दैट मीन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ लार्ज विल कम, व्हिच विल बी लार्जेस्ट. ओके. नाउ कम टू द नंबर 14. नथिंग इज एज डैश एज अ फेदर. एज फेदर कंपेयर किसी से नहीं हो रहा है, बस बोल रहा है कि कुछ भी फेदर से हल्का नहीं होता. स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन दैट मींस लाइट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव डिग्री. नथिंग इज एज लाइट एज अ फेदर. ओके. सो आई होप you all will complete these exercises A, B and C of 9. Have a good day. Thank you.